So your old air conditioner has failed and you're working out what to do next. Hi, I'm George Haydock, the General Manager for Pioneer International. Is that Pioneer has developed a special product called Pioneer Renew for the split ducted air conditioning system. So when your old system fails, you don't have to change the whole system, all of the pipe work, all of the electrical, all of the duct and fittings. Is that with Pioneer Renew, you change the outdoor unit and the indoor electronics, and the machine becomes an inverter machine, which would be about 70% power saving running on new hydrocarbon refrigerants. It's a lot easier. It comes with a refrigerant that's future proof, that they're not going to phase out. That's also good, that's not bad for the environment because it has a GWP of less than 1. And it's going to be more energy efficient for you. It's also going to be cheaper in future, and you're going to be able to get spare parts and refrigerant for it. Let's face it, with the present phase down, is that if you were looking to replace your air conditioner with an R410A or an R32 machine, you're not going to be able to get refrigerant, or you're going to pay a lot of money for it in 4 to 5 years' time because of the Australian government and New Zealand government doing their phase down of these refrigerants. So why not just move across to a system that's built for natural refrigerants? And why not look at the Pioneer Renew system? There's a brochure on the website, but it's so easy and it's so cost efficient. Talk to your contractor about it today.